Look up tonight. Our skies are putting on a cosmic fireworks show. The legendary Perseid Meteor shower reaches its dazzling peak this week. But catching its full glory requires perfect timing and a little cosmic luck. While this annual spectacle typically delivers 40 to 50 shooting stars per hour, 2025's show faces an unexpected rival, the lingering glow of August's full moon. But here's the catch. There's still a secret window to witness nature's light show if you know when and where to look. Though the Perseids technically peaked Tuesday afternoon in the U.S., stargazers have two golden opportunities. Robert Lunsford of the American Meteor Society reveals a brief moon-free gap between dusk and moonrise on August 12th. Earth grazers, rare meteors skimming our atmosphere like stones across a pond, might streak across the sky during this hour, creating breathtaking trails lasting 2 to 3 seconds instead of the usual blink and you'll miss it flashes. But here's where it gets controversial. Is it worth staying up until pre-dawn Wednesday? The moon will dominate the southern sky, but Lunsford insists turning northward toward the Perseus constellation, low on the horizon, could still reveal brighter meteors. Skeptics might argue the moonlit interference makes this year's show underwhelming. NASA's Bill Cook estimates just 10 to 20 visible meteors hourly versus typical counts. And this is the part most people miss. While waiting for meteors, you'll witness a planetary rendezvous. Venus and Jupiter, our solar system's brightest planets, remain locked in their annual celestial dance, glowing side by side in the eastern pre-dawn sky. Saturn joins the party too, appearing near the moon late Tuesday. But wait, could 2025's cosmic calendar get any better? Mark these dates. October's Draconids, Oct 8 to 9, unpredictable dragon meteors. December's Geminids, December 13 to 14, winter's reliable sparklers. 4 supermoons, September 7th, Oct 6th, November 5th, December 4th. Oversized lunar displays. Controversy alert. 2 eclipses cap off summer's celestial drama. A September 7th to 8th blood moon, total lunar eclipse, will bathe continents in rusty hues. But does this dramatic term oversell what's essentially sunlight filtering through Earth's atmosphere? 2 weeks later, a partial solar eclipse creates a cookie-bite sun, visible from remote regions. Final thought. In our light-polluted, screen-dominated world, does chasing celestial events still matter? Some argue it's a waste of sleep. Others call it reconnecting with cosmic rhythms. Where do you stand? Share your meteor watching stories or gripes about moonglare below. And whether you think blood moon deserves its dramatic nickname.